just in case. See? Motion activated. I like it. So, hello everyone, and here the little Frenchie in Big Texas. Welcome to my channel, and we are in the kitchen today, but we're not gonna cook. It's actually a product review for the ASOKO LED motion sensor lights. So they are, the advertisement I've seen is for them to be recessed lights in the kitchen, which is why I am in the kitchen today to open and test them here. But you can pretty much use them anywhere. It's motion activated, so anywhere, you know, you're in the dark at night, you walking to the bathroom, you can just stick them along the way, on the stairs, in your closet. It is very handy, and what I really like is that they are rechargeable, because yes, I do have recessed lights here, but they are plugged into the grid. I mean, everything in this house is powered with the grid, so if the grid goes down, we're in the dark. And unfortunately, it has happened quite a few times, too many times, I would say, in the last few years. Usually it doesn't last too long, 2-3 hours, went up to 8 to 12 when we had the hard freeze and all the grid went down in Texas. So I like to have a few options here, I would say, to keep some lights in the house, and that could be one of them. So we're gonna open it today and try it out. So we are here, my tea area, teacup. Let me put some rooms, but that's also where we have the recessed light. So let me show you. Wrong button. Let me show you here. Light. No light. See, we have two, one you see right there and another one right there. So two sets, and we're gonna try this one right here, the ASOKO simple light, simple life. I do hope so. So let's keep the lights on, open the box and see what we have in here. Well, we actually have two of them in the box, so nice. Oh, these are probably the sticks. Yes, so we have quite a few. 1, 2, all right, nice. This is kind of a warranty here. If you received anything broken, look at this, pretty cool. No need to return. We just contact them and they get a replacement shipped onto us immediately. So that is actually pretty good customer service, I would say. Good. So, but in my case, I received this product, I have to disclose it, I received it for free for a product review, so this is definitely not my case, and it looks pretty well packaged, to be honest, here. So we have quite a few of these. So far I have 6 of these magnets to stick them onto the wall or wherever you want to stick them, pretty much. So here you go. So 2 of them right there. So you can change the color setting, the light setting, if you want some white light, some warmer lights. You've got the USB rechargeable here, and 2 little instructions, but it looks pretty straightforward. So let's try them out. So this is one of them. On the side here is where you would plug in your USB cable to recharge, and here you have 3 options: on, off, and auto. Auto being the motion sensor, which is probably the one most people will want to use here to save on the battery. So this is magnetic, so if you place 2 on it, you just need to remove here the sticky thing. It is sticky, very sticky. All right, so let's make it night here. Let me place it on auto. And there you go. There you go. So let me be complete dark here. That's a pretty nice little light, right? And I should be able to change the color. Warm light, warmer. Yeah, that one is a bit too cold for me. I think I like the warm. Yeah. I'm gonna go for the one in the middle here. There you go. So going back to the kitchen here. Oh, that is it. Pretty quick, huh? Very quick at detecting the light. I like it. Very good little motion sensor lights for a very decent price. So the two lights, same package here, is currently at $37 on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. Very neat little lights. I would definitely recommend here. Dimmable, magnetic, motion sensor, rechargeable, tricolor, white. Yes, very neat little lights. Trying it in the bathroom. I just left one inside. Let's see. Pitch black. Oh yeah, here you go. See? I did not stick it, wanted to test it, and it is working perfect to just light up a bit the bathroom here. I really like it. And yes, you can change the atmosphere. But overall, it's a pretty decent light. I mean, it's a small bathroom, but it does give it a pretty nice glow. Emergency, perfect. You just take it with you. I mean, under the stairs, you place it along the stairs for when you walk up and down at night. There you go. I really like it. So overall, I really like them. Small, very convenient, good ones to have just in case. Just in case. See? Motion activated. I like it. So this is the ASOKO lights. You can find them on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. Right now they are for the same pack, two lights, rechargeable, dimmable, and so on, for $37. So if you enjoy this product review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the Amazon link. It's an affiliate link, and any purchase you made will support the channel. Thank you all for watching. Hey.